In the moments that matter the most, any gesture means something.
You don't tackle an incident like this without mutual aid from other responding units.
Deputy Chief Joseph Trigg says that's why on Monday, the Grand Rapids Police Department sent a sergeant and 7 officers an hour away in an armored rescue vehicle to Michigan State University as a gunman terrorized the campus.
They assisted with evacuations and also securing buildings. There's tons of buildings on campus there, obviously.
The Kent County Sheriff's Office sent a team of 6 too in this truck.
We all have our separate agencies. We have our separate cases that we work. But because of experience, we know that when a big call happens, a lot of resources are needed, and we need a surge of resources as quick as possible to help out.
Sergeant Eric Brunner explains in mass casualty situations, law enforcement takes an all-hands-on-deck approach since it could make a difference for the people impacted.
It does make things difficult communication-wise, so any large-scale incident is always going to be a very chaotic scene. But the goal is just to be there as a resource if needed, because not all communities have access to different technologies, vehicles, and specialty teams.
He adds counties usually create a unified command to coordinate other services too, like fire and EMS. They also frequently train for various scenarios.
Depending on where the situation is, you're going to see your local police department respond and get there first, whoever area that is. And then your surrounding agencies are going to be the next wave that is in. Then you're going to see outside of county resources start to come in. And then as the situation progresses, it just continues to get built out from there.
Both he and Trigg hope something like the tragedy at MSU never happens in West Michigan, but know that if it does, they can count on other agencies' actions.
You just kind of trust in your instincts, start heading that way, because you can always turn around, right?
Now, Sergeant Brunner says most departments review active shooter incidents after investigations into them come out to try and further improve their own response to an event like that. Reporting in the studio tonight, Marisa Oberly, Fox 17 News.